I've got a company car going back and I'm worried about the de-hire damage. I contacted a small company, but I'm worried about the quality of their work. So I contacted Revive, a nationwide company with highly trained technicians. The work that they did on my car was, they repaired some of the scratches and dents on the front of my bonnet. They did some minor paint work on the side of the car and they did the alloys. I was really happy with the work that was carried out. I haven't got any worries about the de-hire damage charges when it goes back.